So, you have written your first, maybe second, or maybe third Pyxel game, and now you want to share this with the world. Well, the best place for this would be the website itch.io. And the great news about Pyxel that you can export your Pyxel game as HTML5 game, and people will be able to play it just online in the browser. No installation needed, no hassle needed. So, in this video, I will show you how you can upload your Pyxel game to itch.io. Before we start, make sure you have your Pyxel game ready and navigate to the game repository. Mine is right here, and you will also need a terminal access. We need to package our Pyxel game as a Pyxel app. Open your command line and type Pyxel, package, folder, dot in my case, and then main script. So it is Pyxel package dot main.py, just as it's written on the screen. This will create a packaged game file. You can test it by running Pyxel play and then the name of the file. And perfect, in my case you see it is running. Last step, you need to generate HTML5 game file. For this you use the command Pyxel up to HTML and then your package file. This generates an HTML file with the entire game, and everything is bundled in this file. Finally, uploading this to itch.io. If you haven't registered there, you will need to register, but I'm assuming you already have an account there. So you go to upload new project, you give it a title, and then you choose HTML5 as your project type. You set your game resolution ideally to the same you used in the game. I know mine is rectangular. Actually, it is square. So I will use 512 by 512. I don't believe it should be exactly correct, but dimensions should be similar. Now you upload your HTML file, wait for it to process, and you can test it. You click Run Game, and in my case you see my Pyxel game is now live and available on itch.io, and anyone can play it in the web browser. So that's that. 2 commands, upload, and your game going to be live. This is how you can create a game in Pyxel and share it with the world, with your friends, and hopefully get a bit more traction for your game. I hope this video was helpful. If you're interested in game development, check this other video on my channel explaining how you can create your first game in Game Maker step by step. And if it is something that is interesting for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And it was Test Encoder. See you around, folks.